Everyone, this is Kijimo Vlogs, a Filipino actor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad ko natin ito reaction video, ang bagong music video ni Maymay for today's video, which is the title is Paradise Official Music Video. So I am really excited to watch this. Dapat kanina ko pa ito nagawa ng reaction video. Nagkaroon lang tayo ng aberya sa ating system for today's video. So I won't take any longer. I didn't check the said teaser. Hindi ko chinek ang kanyang mga teasers. Wala akong idea kung anong rhythm and beat ng kanta. Wala akong idea kung Wala akong idea kung what is this a song all about. But ang alam ko lang is this is the comeback of Maymay Entrata after last year, if I'm not mistaken. So I won't take any longer. I'm really excited to watch this. Without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Siyempre sa una talaga, marami talaga tayong pauses or sa mga first 2 minutes. Pero uulitin natin yung mga videos, ang video para maintindihan talaga natin. So yeah, panoorin natin to. Ay, Pierce, wait lang. Sa itsura dito ni Maymay, there is something, parang may sadness. Parang may sadness. So basically, wala talaga akong idea kung anong rhythm and beat ng kanta. Wait, parang may sadness. Parang makabugera siya, oh. Ay. Sino yung lalaki? Ang gwapo naman ng lalaki. Ay! Hoy! Nagpaki siya? Parang this is the first time na nakita ko si Maymay Entrata na nagpakis for today's video. Sa totoo lang. First time ko siyang nakita nagpakis. Sa cheeks lang naman siya nagpakis, diba? Tama ba ako? Sa cheeks lang. Huwag kang KJ. Okay. Fairness sa rhythm and beat ng kanta. Oh my God, I know kung anong target natin ni Maymay. World domination or global domination ang target niya. Rhythm and beat are on point. Very something like, how do I say this? Very international ang tunog. Sa totoo lang. If you didn't know Maymay actually, tapos siya pala yung kumanta nito, parang hindi mo malalaman na si Maymay ang kumanta nito because this song is something like extraordinary for me. I really love the rhythm and beat of the song, to be honest. Who is the guy? Bakit apam? Wow, vocals. Nag-improve yung vocals niya. Ganda ng execution, my God. Maymay. Oh my God, she is so diva here. Parang mapapatanong ka na lang talaga na, who is this diva? Right? Who is this diva for today's video? Mapapatanong ka na lang talaga. Ganda dancing. I love it. Yes. I really love the envision. I love that. Sige na nga, alam ko, nabibiting kayo. Okay, ulitin natin without any pauses. Sorry. Hey! Love that! Huh? In fairness, very catchy ang kanta. Oh, hindi pa siya, oh. Maymay never disappoints. Ganda ng low notes na Maymay, in fairness. Oh, the ad-libs. Ad-libs are giving. Love that. Ang ganda ng ad-libs niya. Gwapo ng guy, ha? Who's the guy? May aso? Hey, I love it. It's perfect. I love it, I love it, I love it. It's perfect. Parang familiar sa akin yung guy actually. Anyway, there you go guys. That's all for today's video. But you know what? What I noticed about here is just like, hindi lang siya basta-basta music video. Look at the color grading of the said music video. Tingnan natin. Ang ganda ng color grading niya, di ba? Plus, the production itself. Halata mong pinagastusan talaga. It's indeed a comeback indeed, like literally. I really love how he executed that one, and plus vocals, nag-improve talaga siya sa vocals, plus ang ganda niya dito. Look at that. Who would have thought? Fierce and bolder Maymay to, oh. Diba? Okay. Ganda. My favorite part, the ad-libs. Anyways, there you go guys. That is our for today's video, which is Maymay Entrata. She ate and left no crumbs, should I say. Ang ganda ng music video. Look at that. Look at the framing, oh. Ganda ng framing, di ba? Oh. Very mysterious. Iba ang atake. This is KG Vlogs and see you in my next vlog. Bye!